1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hi team, this is Chris Abraham from GOHacademy. In today's video, we're going to look at the American Revolution. And we're going to specifically look at those first couple of years leading up to it. We call this the road to the American Revolution. Team, use this to help you prepare for your exams and this content. Tell me when you read this 2 times. So who was the author again? Who was the author? And now recent actions. So this was written, Suffolk's Resolve was written in 1774. So that would mean we'd have to travel back in time. This is a little trickier, but if we go back to our timeline here, what was going on during that time? What was one major? Can you remember 1774? What got people upset? Right? So Warren wrote the Suffolk's Resolve during this course of acts or intolerable acts, right? And what were the 4 things that happened? What was happening during that time, those events? Shutting of the harbor, arresting anyone that said, did, protested against the British government, throwing you in jail without a jury, taking away your arms, right? So these are the events. And we know, based on, we know that this person believed in what? Going back to this one right here, they strongly believed that there should be freedom. Okay? So is freedom, that means you have the right to be free. Is freedom the same as freedom of expression? Is that the same type of freedom? No, we're not talking about freedom of expression. That's not the freedom we're talking about. We're talking about what type of freedom? Freedom from a tyrant. So which one would that be? Self-government. Who got that one? Does that make sense? Warren was writing about being free from Great Britain. He was writing about becoming a new country, an independent country, a country or government that was self-governed. Team, if you found this video helpful, I want you to give it a big thumbs up and check out a GOHacademy workshop. I'm sure you'll find them very helpful. Team, take care. Bye, team.